Of course, one of our teams today is Dragon Boat Charleston. Today they have a mix of seasoned and new paddlers, all of whom are living with a cancer diagnosis. Team members recently brought home the gold in the 2011 Dragon Boat National Championship, and they are a high-energy group that paddles to win. They are Dragon Boat Charleston. Woohoo!
This is the staging area for the Dragon Boat races. They come down here and get prepared to do battle in 3 heats. These are some of the directors. This is Rebecca on the right, who is the director of the Dragon Boat races here in Charleston. And one of the teams that's a favorite are the Vikings, and they're staging back here. Some very wild and interesting setup here. And every team does 3 heats during the race. This goes on for the entire scope of Brittlebank. It is an amazing scenario. Last year they raised over $145,000. It went to the Breast Cancer Survivor Fund, and then some of that went to Roper St. Francis Hospital. But we'll do a little walking and talking. And the year before that, a group of ladies from Folly Beach named the Folly Beach Wahinis absolutely took this event by storm. This is their hangout. They're probably on the water right now, but we'll get some more people for sure. But it's an interesting group. They're all here for a wonderful reason and for a great cause, and that's to fight breast cancer as we know it now. The event tent is in the center of all this, elevated where the judges are with the booth for calling the race, and then everything is done out on the water. So that the staging by the smokers that we have here, each one of the teams has the ability to bring whatever they want to cook, and the facilities they eat very set up a very interesting entrance to their tent area. You'll see Refuge has an interesting approach here, and the tents just go on as we see some more of the Wolfpack blazing paddles and people having fun and just enjoying the spinning marathon, Trident Healthcare Systems.
And the next race of the day will be race 12 with Fruit O'Lukes, MWV Chemical Warriors 2, and AHS.
A huge presence by Roper St. Francis Healthcare.
Race 8 underway. Race 8 is underway. In lane 1, RSFH Cutting Crew. Lane 2, RSFH Bravehearts. And lane 3, MUSC Huck the Magic Dragon.
Getting started for one of these races is probably the hardest part of the race. They all have to gather together at the beginning gate. They have assistants set up so that everyone gets a fair and equal start. Then when everybody gets ready, they all get their signals straight. Zoom in just a little bit so we can see this a little better. Oh, this is going to be fun. So 1, 2, and 3 are now in the starting blocks. And as soon as everybody is in an equal position, we are ready to go. And the flags are up. When the boats are each ready, the center flag on boat 2 is still waiting. And we're almost there. And now boat 2 is ready. Paddles are aligned. And they're off. It's an interesting race. Oh my. I don't know if they can keep that up for the whole course. Oh, it's not the beers, it's the Scotch Chasers that I'm worried about. Yeah.
Guys dangling a beer in front of them.
Oh, without a doubt, without a doubt. But my gosh, they're a boat length ahead right now. Oh, that's huge. That's excellent.
And they are away. In lane 1, MUSC Dragonesses. In lane 2, James Island Vikings. In lane 3, Charleston Battery. This is going to be a close one. And it looks like the Vikings in lane 2 may be in the lead. MUSC Dragonesses in lane 1. Falling behind. Lane 2 is looking strong. Lane 2 and 3. Oh, it's the Vikings and the Battery this time. Vikings and the Battery. Neck and neck. Neck and neck. Oh, it is close. It is very close. And it looks like lane 3 comes across the obvious finish line. Keep going. Lane 3, 2, and